Okay, welcome to day 3 of section 2.2. We're still solving multi-step equations, but today we're going to solve proportions. And there's only going to be one variable, so that's nice. One thing to know about when we're solving proportions is sometimes we don't end up with whole numbers, which is totally okay because fractions are actually easier than whole numbers, and I'll show you why. All right, so first, will you please pause the video so that way you can copy down these steps? Okay, so let's go ahead and do these steps. So step number 1, put parentheses around addition or subtraction. Well, if I look in example 1, there is no addition or subtraction, so I don't need any parentheses. Step 1 is done. Step 2, let's cross multiply. So we're going to cross multiply. We're going to multiply the bottom of this one times the top of that one. So n times 4 gives me 4n. Okay, now we're going to cross multiply the other way. 3 times 3 is going to give me 9. And then I put my equal sign between them. Okay, and then it's just a simple equation, and we solve for n. So we get to divide by 4, and shoot, we can't divide 9 by 4. But this is where I said it was super easy. That is actually your answer, 9/4. Right there, you can just go ahead and circle it. If you want to write it again, n equals 9/4. There you go. There's your answer. You don't even have to make mistakes in dividing. All right, let's do example 2. This is your last example. How super short. How fun. Okay, let's do it. So we need a blue pen. Step 1, put parentheses around addition or subtraction. So got addition right here. Let's put parentheses around this stuff that we had. Step 2, we're going to cross multiply. We're going to multiply the bottom times the top. So we have 10 times v plus 6. And it's equal to the other bottom times top. So 2 times 2. So we get 4. Now it becomes just like those equations we did yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and distribute first. So we get 10v plus 60 is equal to 4. And then we go ahead and solve for v. So we're going to subtract our 60 on both sides. We get 10v is equal to negative 56. And then divide by 10. Oh shoot, looks like 10 does not divide negative 56 again. Well, this time, okay, you can't just circle your answer on this one. Because if you notice, we can divide both of these by something. So even though we are leaving these as a fraction, please make sure that you simplify your fractions. So let's see, I think we can divide them for sure by 2. So we get a negative 20, let's see, I believe that's a 28 over 5. Yep, that looks pretty good. Nothing else can go into negative 28 or 5. So our answer is v equals negative 28 fifths. Now, sometimes in your homework from now on regular equations, you might also end up with fractions, but that's totally okay because you know how to do them. One note, please do not write decimals. I'm going to say it one more time. Do not write any decimals on your paper. No decimals, do not write them. Do not write any decimals. If I see decimals on that paper when I get back, I'm going to be pretty upset. Okay, so please, fractions only, do not write the decimals. All right, cool. I hope you heard that. I'm not going to say it again. All right. Have a good time. Please be respectful. I think you have a quizzes to do after this.